We've just had to stop because we've got no caravan brakes again. This has happened before. Do you need me to go check?
No, I can see they've got brakes again.
Okay.
I've got to do something with that plug. That's a brand new plug to play it up.
Is it tough?
Yeah, it's really tough. Probably whites in bits like this.
Mm. We left at Kenilworth today. Had a lovely stay there, didn't we, Ryan? And we're kind of in limbo at the moment, because we're just waiting to hear back where they need Ryan for work. So we've just come back to Amamoor State Forest, the Cedar Grove campsite, because it's a low-cost camp and it's really nice. So we're going to hang out here for a few days, have a few fires, do some cook-ups and yeah, chill out.
Wait for another rain.
Yes, absolutely. What's on the menu, right?
Lamb shanks. A few more hours to go.
Yum. But you know what? A main meal is nothing without its side dishes.
There's nothing wrong with mash. Take mash all day.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you very much for the mash, Rachel.
You're welcome.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Not bad.
Hello. Hi.
Oh, sorry, mate.
What you doing in there, mate? Is it nice and warm for you? Hello. Oh yeah.
Spicy. It says 2 to 3. I want us to 2.
You can always add more, can't you?
No, because you've got to add at this stage. But 2 and a bit then.
Yeah.
And this is the lamb curry that I found online. I haven't done it before.
We didn't have a lot of the things, so just winging it.
Herbs more than anything, but
Yeah.
That should be alright. Not bad.
Not bad at all. Ooh. Oh yeah, smells good.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, look at that.
Definitely probably cooked a little bit too far, but that's alright. It'll be falling apart. Be nice and soft. Good curry. Nice and thick.
Mm. How good does the rice look?
Oh, amazing. Put some effort into that.
Sure did.
Falling to bits.
Look at all those dishes in the background.
Mm-hmm.
Real caravan life.
That's what happens when you get a really good cooked meal. You just have to deal with the dishes.
Maybe you can come back for more. You don't have to fill your plate right up. That pork looks pretty good. We are in Eumundi for the next few days. Just staying at the sports ground there. And we are walking to the famous Eumundi Markets. Looking forward to it.
Good.
Yeah, we've got our cooler bag just in case we find something. And yeah. We're on the way to our next camp spot called Habitat Noosa, and we're just driving down their gravel road. It's pretty bumpy, isn't it, Ryan?
It's just pothole. It needs a bit of love.
Yeah. How good does this bad boy look?
reckon King Trek maximum.
Yep.
That's an 8k walk.
Well, we had all good intentions to go for a nice long walk this afternoon.
We almost got carried out of here by the mosquitoes.
I mean, we had been told that they were pretty bad, so to put some mozzie repellent on, but they're next level.
They're swarming like hundreds of them at once.
It's not flies buzzing around your head, it's mozzies. So we're going to go back to camp and have a shower. I think we've done, what, 2Ks?
No, I'll do about 3 by the time we get back.
3Ks.
Not much, so.
No. There are so
kill them.
many.
Kill them, don't leave them.
Okay. Oh, that's actually really let all your anger out, Rachel.
I don't.
You're swiping my butt. Get rid of those mozzies. Do you want me to do your back?
Do you want to do it on it?
Yeah, there is. Here.
Oh, I feel biting.
Give me it.
Oh, I keep biting me from here. Where it's tight.
Alright, I think we're good. I think we're nearly at camp. Do you think they'll leave us when we get out of this track?
Probably not. They stink now because we're sweating, so they're going to be following us.
Alright, can I get rid of this now?
Yep.
Okay. Thanks, Branch. Oh, I've never been more happier to see a campsite.